Be honest for a second. Have you ever checked your bank balance and thought, I didn't even buy anything big, so where did my money go? This happens to a lot of people. Not because they're careless, not because they don't earn enough, but because they're not tracking their expenses. In today's video, I'll show you how to track expenses using free tools, simple tools you already have or can start using today. No complicated systems, no paid apps, just practical methods that actually work. Welcome to Smart Money Insights Lab. This channel is all about helping you make smarter, calmer, and more confident decisions with your money. We break personal finance into simple, practical lessons: saving, investing, budgeting, debt management, credit, and building long-term wealth. No hype, no fear-based advice, no complicated jargon. If you want money advice you can actually use in real life, make sure you're subscribed. Before we talk about tools, let's understand why tracking your expenses actually matters. Most people don't have a spending problem. They have a visibility problem. When you don't track expenses, small daily purchases add up quietly. Budgeting feels confusing. Saving feels impossible. Tracking expenses gives you clarity. And clarity leads to better control, smarter decisions, less financial stress. Think of expense tracking like a mirror. You can't improve what you don't see. Now, let me quickly explain what expense tracking really means, because it's simpler than most people think. Expense tracking doesn't mean tracking every dollar perfectly. It simply means recording where your money goes, grouping it into categories, reviewing it regularly. That's it. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. Let's start with the simplest free tool, something you already have on your phone or at home. Your phone's Notes app or even a notebook works surprisingly well. How to use it? Create basic categories like food, transportation, rent, shopping, entertainment. Every time you spend money, write down date, amount, category. For example, lunch, $12. Food, who this method is best for. This is perfect for beginners or anyone who feels overwhelmed by apps. The goal here isn't detail, it's building the habit. Now, if you want a bit more structure and control, this next free tool works incredibly well. Google Sheets is one of the best free expense tracking tools available. It's free, customizable, accessible on both phone and laptop. Simple sheet setup. Create columns for date, description, category, amount, payment method. With this setup, you can see monthly totals, track category-wise spending, spot money leaks. Why this works so well? When your spending is clearly written down, patterns start showing up. Things like too much spent on food delivery, subscriptions you forgot about, impulse purchases. Awareness alone often reduces spending, without strict budgeting. Some people prefer using apps, so let's talk about free expense tracker apps. Look for apps that allow manual entry, automatically categorize expenses, show monthly summaries. Some apps connect to your bank account, but manual entry is actually better at the beginning. It builds awareness. Important rule: don't download multiple apps. Choose one tool and stick with it. The best tool is the one you'll actually use. Now let's talk about how often you should track and review your expenses. Daily, spend 1 to 2 minutes logging expenses. Weekly, review totals, notice surprises. Monthly, compare planned versus actual spending, make small adjustments. This turns expense tracking into a system, not a chore. Before you start, there are a few common mistakes I want you to avoid. Trying to be perfect, making the system too complicated, quitting after one bad week, feeling guilty about past spending. Expense tracking is about learning, not judging yourself. Let me wrap this up with a few simple action steps you can take starting today. Choose one free tool. Track expenses for the next 7 days. Review calmly. Make small adjustments. That's how financial control actually begins. If this video helped you, hit like. It helps more people find practical money advice. Subscribe to Smart Money Insights Lab for simple, no-hype personal finance strategies. And comment below, which free tool are you going to use to track your expenses? See you in the next video.